In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Canva PDF file size without losing quality. If you've tried to email a Canva PDF and hit an attachment limit, this quick method is going to save you time and preserve your design's clarity. We'll use Canva's built-in settings, so there's no need for external tools or complicated workarounds. It's perfect for client-ready documents like itineraries, proposals, welcome packets, or any PDF intended for screen viewing. First, look to the top right corner of your Canva editor and click Share. This is the same button you use when you want to invite collaborators or export your project. Opening the Share menu gives you access to all of Canva's export options in one place, and it's the starting point for getting a smaller, more email-friendly PDF. Next, in the Share panel, select Download. This tells Canva you're ready to export a file to your device. You'll see a few file type options here, and this is where the magic happens. The key is choosing the right PDF format, so your file is optimized for email without losing the professional look you need. From the File Type dropdown, choose PDF Standard, not PDF Print. PDF Standard is designed specifically for on-screen viewing, presentations, and email attachments. It compresses images to a web-friendly size and embeds fonts efficiently, which dramatically reduces the overall file size while keeping text crisp and graphics clean. In contrast, PDF Print is built for high-quality printing. It preserves extremely high-resolution images and color profiles, which makes the file much larger than most email services allow. If your document is intended for clients to read on their devices, PDF Standard is the best balance of clarity and compact size. Finally, click Download. Canva will process your design and save the optimized PDF to your device. In most cases, this takes just a few seconds. You'll end up with a professional-looking PDF that opens quickly, attaches easily, and looks great on laptops, tablets, and phones. Because the optimization is handled by Canva, your typography stays sharp, and your layout remains intact. So what your client sees matches your design. That's it. Your Canva PDF is now smaller, email-friendly, and professional, ready to send to clients without upload or attachment issues. Use this method every time you need a fast and reliable way to compress Canva PDFs. It keeps your process simple, protects your design quality, and ensures your documents arrive exactly as intended.